2025 was indeed a big year for the tool industry, but in 2026, prominent brands are bringing new tools that solve real job site problems instead of just adding power. That's why today we thought of introducing you with 7 of the newest and efficient tools of the new year. So let's see them without any delay. Sanding edges, corners, and deep recesses often forces you to switch between multiple tools, and poor visibility usually makes the job even harder. For this reason, the Festool DTSC 200 cordless Delta sander focuses on mobility, precision, and surface visibility in one compact solution. Whether you work inside a workshop or in a tight, hard-to-reach spot, this cordless, single-handed Delta sander allows you to move freely while maintaining full control over the sanding surface. Its generous sanding area allows you to cover larger sections while still reaching narrow edges without changing tools. Also, the sander comes with an integrated LED light ring. This lighting system improves visibility and highlights surface unevenness while you sand, so you immediately notice imperfections that would normally go unseen. You can select between full lighting and dimmed lighting directly on the tool, depending on the task. In addition, when connected to the Festool app, you can adjust brightness and set how long the light stays on after sanding, which allows you to recheck the surface with clarity. The EC 2.0 motor adds another layer of refinement. It runs quietly, offers long durability, and requires minimal maintenance. At the same time, the carbide-tipped sanding pad brake prevents the pad from spinning too fast while idling. This feature allows you to place the tool on the surface without leaving scratches, which saves you from costly rework. Furthermore, the vibration protection system ensures comfortable operation, so your hands do not tire quickly during extended sanding sessions. Altogether, the DTSC 200 delivers smooth surfaces, better visibility, and maximum efficiency with a single tool. Traditional jump starters often fail at the worst moment because they need pre-charging or regular maintenance. Therefore, Milwaukee introduced the M18 HOTSHOT jump starter as a new-to-world solution that stays ready at all times. Instead of storing power like conventional units, this unit uses proprietary internal capacitors. When paired with any M18 battery, the unit prepares itself to jump a vehicle in under 70 seconds. In addition, the HOTSHOT provides true all-weather performance. It operates consistently in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, so weather conditions do not limit its reliability. The internal capacitors are rated for up to 500,000 cycles, which results in longer life and unmatched dependability. With up to 2,000 peak amps, this unit starts engines up to 8.1-liter gas and 3.0-liter diesel without hesitation. One M18 Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery can deliver up to 70 jump starts on a single charge, which makes it highly efficient for roadside, fleet, or job site use. Moreover, the custom clamp design improves access to battery terminals and ensures a stronger, more secure connection. Altogether, the M18 HOTSHOT offers an always-ready experience, longer life, and reliable performance when you need it most. Heavy-duty fastening often requires extreme torque, and reaching deep or obstructed fasteners adds another level of difficulty. For this reason, the Makita GWT1 combines high torque output with a 6-inch extended anvil for better accessibility. The Makita-built brushless motor delivers 1,400 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and 1,110 foot-pounds of fastening torque, which allows this tool to outperform similar models in demanding load conditions. To improve control, the wrench features 3 forward modes and 1 reverse auto-stop mode. The 4-speed power selection switch covers a wide range of RPM and IPM settings, so you can match speed and impact rate to the task. The ultra-smooth variable speed trigger provides precise control, while the full-speed mode reduces trigger pull to reach maximum speed quickly. The 6-inch extended anvil allows access to fasteners that sit deep inside assemblies. At the same time, the flexible rubber joint separates the battery from the tool's impacts, which reduces vibration transferred to your hands. Dual LED lights positioned below the anvil and on the tool's foot improve visibility in low-light environments. In addition, the reinforced gear housing increases durability for tough job site conditions.
Cold environments slow down productivity and make job site conditions uncomfortable. Because of this, the Ryobi 18-volt 1+ HP brushless hybrid forced air propane heater delivers powerful heating with flexible power options. With output ranging from 75,000 to 125,000 BTU, this heater covers areas up to 3,125 square feet, which makes it suitable for construction sites, workshops, and outdoor events. 1+ HP technology combines a brushless motor, advanced electronics, and high-performance lithium technology for better power and runtime. At the same time, the hybrid design allows the heater to run on any 1+ battery or an extension cord. This setup ensures easy startup through electronic ignition without worrying about power availability. The durable metal construction handles outdoor conditions with ease, while the integrated carry handle allows simple transport from one location to another. The heater includes a 15-foot propane hose with regulator and falls under the Ryobi 1+ system, where any 18-volt 1+ battery works with any 18-volt 1+ tool. Many heating tasks on job sites require open flames, which create safety risks and limit control. Therefore, the Hilti NHG 622 cordless heat gun provides a powerful cordless alternative on the Neuron battery platform. Its specialized heat coil allows the tool to reach 570 degrees Fahrenheit in just 4 seconds and 932 degrees Fahrenheit in 20 seconds, so you can begin work almost immediately. The high-performance fan and advanced heating control system delivers sustained airflow up to 10.6 CFM at 570 degrees Fahrenheit. This airflow allows you to handle larger applications that previously required open flames. In addition, the 2-step constant-on switch and flat-back design allow hands-free operation, which reduces wrist strain and increases flexibility during work. This heat gun handles tasks such as shrinking tubing for cable terminations, bending PVC conduits and plexiglass, repairing PEX pipes, expanding thermoplastics for easier connections, and removing vinyl, preparing metal surfaces by removing paint before welding. Next, we have the new GSA 18-volt-24 professional cordless reciprocating saw from Bosch. This tool addresses issues like awkward body positions, heavy vibration, and poor visibility of the cutting line, and brings comfort, balance, and controlled cutting performance for professionals such as HVAC workers, plumbers, electricians, and cabinet installers. Its lightweight and compact design make it easier to maneuver in confined spaces where larger saws feel uncomfortable to control. In addition, the pivotable footplate allows better contact with the material, which improves stability during the cut and reduces unnecessary movement. The brushless motor paired with a 24mm stroke length delivers faster cutting speeds across wood, metal, and pipes, so demanding tasks take less time and less effort. At the same time, the built-in counterbalance mechanism plays a major role in reducing vibration. This reduction allows you to work for longer periods without straining your hands and arms. Furthermore, the integrated LED light clearly illuminates the cutting line, which becomes especially useful in dark ceilings, crawl spaces, and enclosed work areas. Altogether, this saw combines power, comfort, and visibility in a way that makes tight space cutting far more manageable and efficient. Crosscut sleds are known for stability and support, but they usually restrict you to square cuts, which limits flexibility during detailed woodworking projects. Because of this limitation, woodworkers often switch between a sled and a miter gauge depending on the angle they need. That's why our today's last tool is the all-new in-DEXABLE Miter Sled from Woodpeckers. This tool removes this inconvenience by combining the solid support of a cutoff sled with the precise angular control of a miter gauge in one system. Since the sled rides against the table rather than sliding the workpiece across it, friction reduces significantly, and the chance of the workpiece slipping sideways during the cut almost disappears. This setup improves safety, accuracy, and confidence, especially when working with larger pieces or smaller pieces that require steady support. The in-DEXABLE protractor head and fence system allow you to cut accurately at virtually any angle while repeating cuts to exactly the same length. With a simple press of a button, you can instantly set common polygon miter angles and square cuts without trial and error. The papered pin locates the selected angle precisely and holds it in place while you tighten the handle, which ensures repeatable accuracy. For all other angles, the laser-engraved hairline on the crystal-clear acrylic window allows you to align laser line to laser line for perfect positioning. As a result, This miter sled offers both stability and angular precision, which makes complex crosscuts far more easier and far more consistent. So, that wraps up a look at 7 absolutely new tools of 2026. The focus is on smarter, safer, and connected systems that save time and boost the quality of your work. Which of these new tools catches your eye the most? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more detailed tool reviews and insights.